Now to Jefferson County, where drivers stuck in what seems like a never-ending legal cycle now have a green light. In Colorado, certain traffic offenses, even minor ones, can lead to a suspension or a loss of a license. And one misstep after the fact can add 1, 5, or even 15 years to that suspension. Many drivers are unlikely to ever have their license reinstated or drive with insurance ever again. Tonight, a new program aims to end that cycle by helping navigate the DMV system. Karen Morfitt is your reporter in Jefferson County. And Karen, they believe this program will benefit all drivers in Jefferson County and across the state.
Absolutely, Michael, but not everyone will qualify. They're first going to look at community risk first, but the goal is really to help those drivers who are eligible to get their license, help them get it and do that without having to navigate the system on their own. For drivers across Colorado, even the smallest traffic offense can be a catalyst into a court cycle that is difficult to end.
I've had a lot of issues with my driver's license.
Steve Pratt's latest concern was a traffic stop in his motorhome.
I got pulled over without proof of my license. I didn't have it on me. I didn't lost the copy or the paper insurance. I'm in a big motorhome.
He had both, but needed to prove it in court, like thousands of others.
Maybe they forgot to pay their ticket. Maybe they could have taken care of it online, but they couldn't figure it out. Maybe they do have an issue that they failed to take care of a couple of months ago, and now it's holding their license.
Jefferson County District Attorney Alexis King says they are currently facing a backlog of more than 25,000 active warrants. Half are for traffic cases.
It can snowball and result in really continued driving under restraint, and then they can't get insured.
A problem across the state. According to the latest report from the Rocky Mountain Insurance Information Association, more than 16% of drivers across Colorado are uninsured. That's 4% higher than the national average. To try and address the issue in Jefferson County, they launched the Safe Licensed Driver program, bringing the DMV to the courts.
Need that one more step from DMV. They can just walk out our doors, have that happen, and then, frankly, move forward.
It's an added service to their Pathways program, which is focused on court diversion. For Pratt, it was the only thing that kept him from falling back into that cycle. Now, that DMV to go will be at the courthouse on the first Tuesday of every month. And again, it won't be for everyone. Not everyone will qualify. Some will not qualify based on some of the other charges in their cases. But that DMV to go will be open to the public as well. You can find more about the Safe Licensed Driver program at our website, cbscolorado.com. We'll have all that information up where you can learn more. Tonight, we're live in Jefferson County. Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.
That's certainly a creative solution, Karen. Thank you.